Okay, today we are putting together the surface cleaner. Go ahead. So this is putting the arm on the bottom portion of the Whisper Wash. You put these bolts through, and then you thread a little, what's that called? Ring.
Yeah.
Just seal it and close it off. And we always keep these parts in a little box in the truck. And then you're putting the handle together, it just locks in place. And you put a third bolt in the clip. And the hose just pops into that. Does this have to lock?
Nope.
Does it have to lock? Okay. Okay, and the wand, by just pushing in, this is for training.
You pull this back,
Pull it back and then pop
it
off.
just releases.
So you connect one of the extension hoses onto the truck hose, where we disconnected the nozzle that's used to clean trash cans. And then the end of that hose will connect to the surface cleaner. We do have another extension hose that can just go in between if need be for longer length.